Who do the Jets play? They play Miami. And what are they famous for, Miami? They're famous for Pernil. And guess what we're making today? We're making a Puerto Rican pork roast shoulder. Yep. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. The Jets are playing Miami, and we're making a Puerto Rican dish. We're making pernil. It's a Spanish pork shoulder, right? And this, guy's ingredients are easy. We got oregano, we got garlic, we got adobo, right? We found this adobo with 50% less salt. That's always good, right? We got this recaito. We're gonna be using that in the beans, right? We're gonna be making beans. What would be a Spanish dish without rice and beans, right? So we got our rice, we got our beans, and guys, I'll bring you right back when we get started. All right, guys, so now we got our garlic ready. I'm gonna say we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got about 14 pieces of garlic here. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna save 6 of those for us to stuff inside the pork shoulder. And the rest of these are going inside our mortar and pestle, right? And then we're just going to go ahead and give this a nice smash, right? And now we're just going to introduce a little bit of salt here, not too much. The salt is like for a little bit of texture, just to help smash it up a little bit. Not too much, right? Because we got 50% reduced sodium in our adobo. So, you know, we don't want to overdo the salt. So we're just going to smash this up, right? So we're looking something like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, so now we're going to work on our oregano. Here we got our oregano. You can say, what is that, like 3 stalks or so? And these are going to go straight into, let's put this over here. And these are going to go straight into our bowl. Right into the mortar and pestle. Let's get some of the smaller ones. That's probably enough for now. Let's smash this up and see what it looks like. Smelling good. I feel like I need more garlic than this, but I think this will be fine. All right, so we're gonna put this on the side. All right, guys, real quick. We got this out of Sam's Club, 14 bucks, right? And it's 9 pounds, 9 pounds. And this is a smaller one, smaller pork shoulder, or a medium pork shoulder, I should say. And I'm not doing much of taking fat or anything off of this. This is gonna come out of the package, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash this down. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this down, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is all washed down now. So normally, when I make this dish, which is like probably once a year, twice a year, I normally leave the skin on. And I've watched some videos where they've taken the skin off. So that's what we're gonna try today. So I'm gonna start here at the middle of the end, this small piece here. And I'm gonna cut the skin in half here. And now I'm gonna get a knife and I'm gonna go ahead and start to shear it back like that. I think I'm gonna go with this knife here. I'm gonna go with this knife. And I'm gonna pull, let's see if I can get you guys a little closer. I'm gonna pull and I'm gonna cut. See that? Try and leave as much meat behind as possible. And you know, the skin is pretty thick, so you don't have to really worry too much about cutting through it. So let's just go ahead and keep pulling. Keep pulling. All right, should get a little thicker, right? Turn around. Keep pulling, right? All right, so let's move this over to the side and let's bring in our garlic and oregano. So let's grab some adobo. Now guys, I'm not doing any measurements for this. I'm just gonna go in with some adobo. If I had to tell you, I'm gonna tell you this is 1 tablespoon. Now guys, this doesn't look like it's enough volume, really, right, to get all over this meat. So I'm gonna go in with some more garlic cloves to have the ones that I had left over. And don't go buying the already shelled or garlic. That's gonna have a lot less flavor in it. Guys, I can really smell it. This looks like way more now. So I'm gonna go in with just maybe a little bit more adobo. And let's just put a little bit more oregano in here. Just a little bit more. And smash this up. You know guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. Why not, right? I don't know. Let's just say spoonful here. Yeah. Now we're gonna just put some holes in the meat. We're gonna stick our garlic down in there. All right, so we got our garlic and we're just gonna stick garlic down in the holes, right? Here's one hole here. Stick the garlic in. Here's a hole here. Stick a garlic in. All right, we got this flipped over. I'm gonna just do these one at a time, right? Take the garlic in. And now we're gonna go ahead and put our, so now we're gonna put this to work. Flip this over. I'm gonna get it on this side. Right. And our skin goes back on this way. Let's get some on the skin. Especially down. We're gonna especially get some down in these crevices, right? Absolutely. All right, guys. So now this is gonna go in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, 3 hours, and then it's gonna go in the oven. Okay, and this is going. All right, so this is going in the refrigerator. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started on the rice and beans, and I'm just gonna do this real easy. I'm going in with 2 whole cans, all the juices and everything. A quarter of an onion, diced. A clove of garlic sliced, or probably 2 small ones. 1 whole can of water. And we're going in with 1 tablespoon. 1 big heaping tablespoon. You know what, let's make it 2. And let's give this a stir. And guys, we're gonna let this on low for the next 45 minutes or so. All right, guys, I forgot to hit record, but this has been in for about 2 hours, and this is the way it came out. All right, so this is going back in the oven for another 2 hours, and it's going back 2 hours covered. All right, guys, so let's take a look at our meat. It's been 4 hours since our meat's been cooking, and this is what we got. let's just do a quick temp on it. Guys, this is smelling good. Guys, this is at 201. So this is cooked through. So now we need to, this doesn't look good, right? We really need to get this nice and crispy, right? So we're gonna go ahead, turn the oven up to 350. And I happen to have a convection oven. So we're gonna turn the convection part up for 350 for it till the skin is nice and tight. We'll be back. All right, guys, we're done. Yes, we are. We are done. Look at this. Now, I did put it under the broiler. That's why you see it a little singed right there. Let it go just a little bit too long. But guys, this is perfect. Right? This is perfect. I am so excited. I'm so excited to get this in, get this done. Guys, we got a little bit of gravy down there too. All right, so let's just see how crunchy this is. All right, y'all ready? Let's see, listen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna be fighting over who gets some skin. All right, let's take a quick temp and let's see how soft this is. Guys, right through like butter. Right through like butter. Let's see what our temp is. We're right at 207. Perfect, guys. So we're gonna let this sit for at least 15 minutes and I'm gonna take some thumbnail pictures and we will be back. Now guys, this is it out the pan. Just gonna let it rest a little. All right, guys, I can't wait to get into this. We got some rice and beans, right? All right, guys, here's our plate. Yep. Guys, this came out good. You gotta do it. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking. Look at that bone pull.